Swipe. To move your finger across a touch screen to interact with a device. Example: she swiped left to reject the suggestion on the dating app. Stream. To transmit or receive video and audio over the internet without needing to download it. Example: they streamed the live concert on their phones. Binge. To watch multiple episodes of a TV series or show in rapid succession. Example: he binged the entire season of the new show in one weekend. Unfriend. To remove someone from a list of friends or contacts on social media platforms. Example: after the argument, she decided to unfriend him on Facebook. Tag. Meaning: to label or mention someone in a social media post or photo. Example: don't forget to tag me in the group photo. Scroll. To move displayed text or graphics up, down, or across a screen. Example: he scrolled through his feed for hours, lost in the endless updates. Zoom. To increase the size of an image or video on a screen, also refers to participating in a virtual meeting. Example: we zoomed into the details of the map to find the location. Snap. To take a quick photograph or video, often shared on social media platforms like Snapchat. Example: she snapped a picture of her coffee and posted it online. Ping. To send a brief electronic message or alert, often to check someone's availability. Example: I'll ping you when I'm online and ready to chat. Vibe. To feel or create a particular atmosphere, mood, or feeling, often used informally. Example: they vibed well together, sharing the same taste in music and humor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.